Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the Glamour Xtec is powered and charged, and open Bluetooth on your phone or tablet so it can scan. Once done, press and hold the Xtec power button for about 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. A flashing LED or audible tone usually indicates readiness. Keep the devices within 1 to 3 meters, make sure airplane mode is off, and be ready to accept the pairing prompt when the Xtec appears in your device list. Next, you select the Glamour Xtec from your available devices list and initiate the connection. Tap the listed name, then confirm any PIN or passkey. Many models use 0000 or 1234, but follow the prompt shown. After pairing, grant requested permissions for audio, calls, or notifications so features work correctly. If the device asks to make it discoverable to others, decline to avoid unintended pairing. Make sure the volume and output are set to Xtec in your audio setting. To finish, confirm the status reads connected and play a short audio file to test both input and output. If you don't hear sound, switch the phone's audio output to the Glamour Xtec and increase volume. If pairing fails, turn Bluetooth off/on, restart both devices, and attempt pairing again. As a troubleshooting tip, perform a factory reset on the Xtec if it repeatedly refuses to pair. This clears previous pairings and often resolves hidden conflicts. Finally, keep firmware updated for long-term stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.